Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. So today's date is 23rd of May 2018, and I'm sharing a trade with you for Coalindia trades here. This is a stock trade setup we are tracking with the advanced course members right now. And basically, we are tracking this flattish momentum, this consolidation going on right now for a breakout in either side of the market. Preferably, we are waiting for a breakout towards the upside so that the trend momentum resumes without a pause here. But in case we don't get it towards upside and we get it towards downside, that is also okay for us to trade that breakout for a pullback move towards downside. So this breakout is more clearly seen in a 5-minute time frame chart here. So you see the consolidation phase here. The price is going through right now. This one. So the channel is quite clear and not much confusing basically. And we have a narrow channel. Which is a good thing. So the trend was up. The trend was going, and now it's in a consolidation phase going through. Either we are going towards upside with a fresh momentum, or we are going towards downside with a fresh momentum. Otherwise, we can trade the channel inside of it as well, because if you see the channel is confirmed right after these moves, and right after these moves from this channel, price went up, price coming back down, again went up. So even if you're playing the channel inside of it, you would have made 1, 2, 3 counts of money inside this. All right. So for 3 swings, you would have made money here. Now, 60 minutes will show you the overall pattern, basically why we are preferring a breakout buy trade above this. And mostly in a positional trade basis, we'll be preferring to go for long side instead of short side. The shorting things I said, I mean the long and short, these trades I've said is based on the intraday time frames. Obviously, we should not go for some positional trades with such a narrow range. But yeah, with a positional trade, we can go ahead if there is a breakout towards upside or a breakdown towards downside. But in case of a breakdown towards downside, we have a limited downside. In a few minutes, I'll show you how and why. But towards upside, we have a bigger upside. We have bigger space to play with, and that's the motive basically to carry this position in a long-term basis. And the thing is, the overall trade setup. If you see, the price was trending down here. The price was trending down. The trend was quite good enough, but you see the last lower high didn't sustain here. If you see right from the top, what's really happening, the support areas reacted well enough as a resistance areas, right? Again, the support reacted as resistance, the support reacted as resistance, support reacts resistance, support reacts resistance. Now, this is support, this is resistance. This is support, and price reacted as a resistance on these pullbacks. You see, the price is always reacting after the breakdown on a pullback. The price is always reacting to the resistance. This is again the same thing after breakout, momentum down. The price reacted on the resistance level, near about the resistance level, and price fall back down. And the same thing happened here. We had the good amount of resistance, the flip resistance, and price responded well over there. But this time, price goes up. The way it reacted on the flip resistance, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it didn't react on the 6th layer here, 6th layer of flip resistance, isn't it? Instead of that, price bounced back inside the last bounce, the last lower high, and price started trading, and it reached this is a change of trend level, we say, the last lower high, and price responded back to the last lower high, responded back over there and coming back down, but it again stopped where? The last support area, the last lower high area, above which the price is already bounced back in. All right. And on the retest, if you see, we got a reversal bar here. The people who are trading the pin bars and all those things. This is I personally don't trade a particular pin bar or something. I look for reversal bars. When there is a reversal bar strategy we try to follow, then we try to look for a reversal bar. Now it can be any kind of reversal bar. The price action should communicate with me that okay, the price is bouncing back in, then the strength of the opposite party, like here the bulls, is coming in. That should be identified, and that should be the message I should be getting from the pattern there. Whether it creates a shape like pin bar or no, it doesn't matter for me. So anyhow, this was a buy signal over here. I won't say a particular buy signal, but this was the first hint of the reversal we got. We are coming down, down. We got the bounce, above the last lower high, price coming back down and bouncing back on the last lower high level over here. All right, so this is our first sign of the this trend change, this downtrend to upward changing of the trend, the shifting of the trend. These are the hints, a few hints we get. Now, after that, since this is our change of trend level, we have a crucial level as well as we have a, we have one more reaction of the price as a second point. So this becomes a key level of resistance, and this was a breakout trade, and our breakout strategy really applied in here, and we were able to catch up this breakout. And this was the first initial momentum. We are still right inside this trade. In case the channel breaks out, then we are coming out of this breakout trade, which is initiated over here. Or if it is not coming down, this breakout move, this channel momentum is not breaking down towards downside, then yeah, we will be continuing and we will be adding up some more positions above the breakout area here. All right. So that's the idea. Now, in case it comes back down, why I said that we have limited downside, because we have a key level of resistance here, which will react as a support here. All right. So either we are going above this, or once the price comes back down on this support, we are looking for again buying opportunities. Because for us, the trend has this downtrend has already shifted towards uptrend. So we are looking for buy trade signals. So for me, actually, this level will react in both the way. We'll be looking for a good amount of buying sign, and if it doesn't sustain, we goes for a breakdown, then definitely we'll be going for sell trades even at the same time. So either way, we see some trading opportunities, we'll be doing it. But preferably, I'm really looking for a breakout buy above this for a next momentum upwards in line with this shifted upward trend. All right. So that's it for today. For today's lesson or for today's market update, we have a few more trades also. So just come in our Telegram channel. So you'll be getting, I think ACC we have been tracking, ACC. This was the, where is it? So this was the move in SEC posted in the Telegram channel as well. So the trend is quite clear, right? So we are trying to capture one more sell trade here. But for now, we are already in a sell trade with a breakdown around this layer. But for now, it looks like we are not really responding to that breakout. Since the position is not in loss yet, we are still making good money in there. Let me see if we can talk a little bit about that as well. Yeah, here. So this is the breakout trade we have been trying to capture. You see these reversal formations here. Again, we go flat over here. We are already in this trade basically. Let's see if we go down below this support layer. It will be the fall should start its momentum, hopefully. In case we reverse from here, again, whenever it's a downtrend and we are sitting on the bottom of the downtrend, and you're sitting on the bottom of the downtrend. So these are the areas as well to look for the reversal of the overall trend, or as a continuation to look for the continuation of the existing trend. So either way, you have trades if you know how to read the price action, right? So come into the channel. I have already given the link of the trading channel we have in the Telegram, or you can join me in the WhatsApp for the updates. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you.